box, and the reason I'm wearing my veil is this nook is evil. It's pure evil. As you know, I'm stupid and I like to work without a veil or a suit because I really don't like them. I'm not that stupid when it comes to this Hive. I'll be quite honest, the first time I opened this box up this year, I think what happened is the Queen had got superseded. I went in to find the Queen and mark her, and I went in and found her and I marked her, and I got stung. And I thought to myself, well, perhaps it's just a cold day that I've gone in for. I went in again a few days later, which were a nicer day, and I got stung to death. And I've been in again today, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's been 16, 17, 18 degrees all day, and these bees want to kill me. They really want to kill me. And if you've got an hive or a nook of anything and the bees want to kill you, you've got one choice: kill that Queen. And eventually these bees will die off and they'll calm down. But it's fairly nice brood. It's a solid pattern that she's been laying, but you can tell by how fast they're moving. They are very fidgety, these bees, and I don't like bees that are going to sting me. Nobody likes getting stung. And I'll show you what we do with the aggressive Queen. And there she is. And we're going to pick her up. And you just pick her up by the wings. If you're picking out a Queen up to mark her, I'll be quite honest, he doesn't hurt them, but let me bring this lady close up for you. See if we can keep in focus. This Queen. Right. So these bees are following her, and as you can see, there she is. And you've only got one option with these queens. It's absolutely pointless keeping a queen. Is she going to produce bees like this? They're going to kill you and sting you to death. Your only option with this is to give her a good old squeeze and kill her stone dead. You can use that queen for swarm load, but as I say, every queen is not precious. Only the good queens are a precious queen, and this, unfortunately, is not a precious queen. So we'll pop her to one side.